to take y'all down to Texas real quick. I hope that's all right. My great-great-granddaddy was a chuck wagon cook, and my great-granddad ran cattle. And I learned that them cattle drivers used to sing to their cows to keep them on the path, and I think that song sounded something like this. Well, it all started south of San Antonio. The cowboys came to run that cattle northwest Oklahoma. We've heard the stories, the Wild West Road. But have you heard the song that kept their rhythm on the road? Well, it went one Mississippi all the way to Kansas City. Hi-ho, yippee-ki-yay. Get on, get getting, 'cause there ain't no quitting long as Chisholm Trail Nightingales sing. Ooh, through the dust clouds, you'd hear the roar, the hooves of beasts and mustangs beating on their desert floor. The days were long, the night gave no rest, and it took a life for just two men to tame 200 head. So they sang one Mississippi all the way to Kansas City. Hi-ho, yippee-ki-yay. Get on, get getting, 'cause there ain't no quitting long as Chisholm Trail Nightingales sing. Ooh, hey. They sounded wrecked and sun-beat tired. They had no guitar strings, and you can still hear the cowpoke choir across the plains in the rain. They sing one Mississippi all the way to Kansas City. Hi-ho, yippee-ki-yay. Get on, get getting, 'cause there ain't no quitting long as Chisholm Trail Nightingales sing. The canteen shaking, the saddlebags breaking, and we're yodeling all the way. There ain't no end in sight, but you gotta pass the time, so the Chisholm Trail Nightingales sing. Ooh, hey. Thank you so much.